and water is the best friend and worst enemy for concrete structure. How we can consider as a best friend? Because water is required for making the concrete, because initially we are adding the aggregate, cement, water to mix it together. Without water, we cannot make the concrete anyway. So that's why at this stage is the best friend. So if you are adding enough, and after that, after placement of the concrete, still is the best friend because concrete need to be cured. So up to that stage is the best friend. But whenever concrete is get hard after curing, they completely change from the friend to enemy. So that's why I call it concrete is the worst enemy. And the reason I call it worst enemy, because if you look at all of the main mechanism, and that you list talk about some of them, look like corrosion, chemical attack, AAR and ASR is very similar. That's from the same thing, from the same family. Freeze-thaw and all, that sulfate attack. If you look at all of the mechanism, they attack concrete structures, they need the water. And without the water, there is no corrosion. Without the water, there is no ASR. Without the water, there is no freeze-thaw. Without the water, there is no sulfate attack. So that's why if we be able to protect our structure against water ingress inside of the concrete, we will able to protect them. So, and that's a concept that whenever we are talking about the waterproofing, we need waterproofing for two main purposes. One of them is for serviceability. So it look like if you have the basement, you don't want the water get to the basement. If you have the water tank, you don't want water leave the water tank. So that's why one part is serviceability. But another part, which is even more important than in some cases serviceability, is the durability. Because whenever water penetrate inside of the concrete with ASR, corrosion, and other factors, they cause some damage to the structure. The effects on the service life of the structure, they increase their requirement for maintenance or repair. And this means make a structure less and less durable. So that's why there is a tight correlation between waterproofing, durability, and these days, something has become very critical worldwide. People, we are talking about sustainability. We are looking for more sustainable structure. We want to be more green. We want to consume less energy. And whenever we be able to increase the service life of our structure, at the end, we have more sustainable structure.